Hello, my dear children of class 1. So, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping good. So, children, today in English literature, we will learn a poem. And the name of the poem is No, No Bird. So, before we begin with this poem, let me ask you, do you get angry? Yes, we all get angry sometimes, right? And when we become angry, what do? Are we very happy? No. Do we look beautiful? No, we look very ugly. And out of anger, we start acting very stupid. We throw things. We stamp our feet. Right? That is called tantrum. And we say no to everything. Right? So, in this poem, we are going to learn about a boy who gets very angry and how does he behave. And for everything, he says no, no. I am the no-no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. So who is that bird, no bird, who keeps saying no, no? That is that small boy. The small boy you can see in the picture. And he lives up in the tantrum tree. Tantrum tree means birds live in the tree, right? But this boy, he's got too much of anger. He's very angry. So he considered that to be a tree, the tantrum tree. I'm the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. So children, when we are angry, what we do? We stamp the feet. We stamp our feet, right? And then here the boy does the same thing. He stamps the feet and then he gets hurt and then shout and cry. The third stanza is, I am the no-no bird. I sulk and sing. No, no, no to everything. So here the boy says which bird he is. He is a no-no bird. He gets very upset. The word sulk means to be upset, not very happy mood. And then I sulk and sing. And for everything he says no, no. And the name of the poet is Andrew Fusik Peters. What we have learnt from this poem? Yes, we should not get angry. And then what happens when we are angry? We say no, no, no. But that is not a good behavior. So children, let us learn to be happy all the time. Right? And then we look more beautiful when we are happy. Now we will read the poem. You will read along with me. I'm the no-no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I'm the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I'm the no-no bird. I sulk and sing. No, no, no to everything. Children, read this poem. Learn well. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, bye children.